Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can avoid Etsy suspension. Now I had two accounts got suspended for no reason. I contacted the support, but they didn't help me. And when I searched for the reason, I have found that even the small things can get your account suspended. Like let me just show you guys. As you can see here, I'm going to log into my Etsy account. As you can see here guys, my account got suspended. I'm going to show you guys two accounts got suspended. It says here, your account is currently suspended. Please check your email for a message explaining why. So I have found, guys, if you want to avoid suspension, you need to avoid as negative feedbacks as much as you can. And also as you can see here guys, this list, it says here, make sure your items and content are compliant with Etsy's policies, that you are not behind on your Etsy fees. So if you don't pay, guys, your Etsy fees in time, that can get your account suspended. And it happened to me on Etsy, and it happened to me on eBay. If you don't pay, guys, eBay fees or Etsy fees in time, you are going to get your account suspended. That's exactly how it works. They can give you guys some warning, like they are going to send you, hi, if you don't pay the fees in date X, we are going to close your account. Okay, so you need to make sure you pay the fees in time, and make sure you ship the products as soon as possible. Okay, you need to care about the buyer satisfaction. That should be your first priority when you are selling on Etsy. Okay, and also it says here, make sure eBay fees, and that your Etsy shop is in good standing with as few cases and negative feedbacks as possible. So you need to avoid, guys, buyers opening a dispute against you on Etsy. That can get your account suspended, and you need to avoid 5 times. If you receive 5 disputes and you are selling, for example, only 10 items in that month, and 5 of these 10 they open a dispute, that will get your account, guys, suspended. There is no doubt about that. But if you have received, for example, 11 orders, like 11 sales, and only one open the dispute, that's not a problem. Okay, if you have received, for example, 100 sales and only 5 or 6 they open the dispute, that's not a problem. Okay, because when someone opens a dispute, they compare it, guys. Etsy compares it to other sellers, and they are seeing which one has the most percentage of returns and disputes. That's exactly what they look at. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, in the comments, I reply to everyone. Just let me know in the comments, guys. I reply to every single one. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.